tell your your kids that they know what.
All right. So we are gonna we're gonna pull up both things. So we're gonna put up unit circle up. Um, and we're gonna if you have any question, please let me know. But um, definitely understand that the reciprocal function and the trig function. Anybody know what happened to Snotties? I'm seeing her for like 2 days again. Yeah. By the way. All right, so sine of 5 pi over 6. So what we're gonna do is we're kind of just gonna speed run this, and I'm gonna show you two things on this side. So unit circle is on this side. So sine of 5 pi over 6 is gonna be on the second quadrant, and so do you see that this side? A lot of you guys don't understand how to read a triangle. So imagine that this triangle here, it has a shorter shorter y value and longer x value. Do you see this distance from here to here is longer, and this distance here to here is shorter? Do you see that? So if you see that, you don't have to memorize the coordinates because you can see it. So for me, like I just kind of see those things. So this one just gonna be 1/2. And the way to draw it, if you want to draw a the angle is going to be right here. And the 5 pi over 4, if I were to draw it, it's going to be all the way to here. So that's going to be square root 2 over 2. And 11 pi over 3, that means I'm going to draw it. I here it's going to be 8 pi or 6 pi over 8. Or 6 pi over 3, right? And then how many pi have to go more? 5 pi over more. So 5 pi over more is right here. So this is the way to draw it. Sometimes AP exam will show you the drawing of angle, and they'll ask you if this drawing is correct. So you just have to figure out the right drawing. You start from the x-axis, you rotate all the way to, and the 6 pi over 3, and you rotate more. So that becomes make a square root 3 over 2. And you guys should get this pretty easily. Cosine of negative 4 pi over 3, again, now it's negative angle, so it's cosine 4 pi over 3, at least the 3 pi over 3. So 4 pi over 3 is right here. So that's I think it's negative 1/2. Is that okay so far? Yes. Yop, do you have any questions so far?
Okay. Isn't 5 negative?
What?
Equal negative. Question mark.
Which one?
Number 5.
Number 5.
3 over 2.
5 pi. Yeah, that's negative. You're right.
W catch.
Okay. Sine of 16 pi over 15 pi over 4. Which quadrant is that? Let me ask you which quadrant. Which quadrant is 15 pi over 4? It's not 2. It's actually 4. Because if you get here, it's going to be 8 pi over 4, right? Right? And the 16 pi over 4, 15 pi over 4 is going to go all the way here. So it's going to be here. So it'll be negative square root 2 over 2. What is sine of 3 pi over 2? That's an easy one. It's right here. So it's negative 1. Right? So 3 pi over 2 is going to go all the way here. So it's negative 3 pi. Is that okay? 5 pi over 4 is 1 because it's negative 1 over negative 1. So negative square root 2 over 2. Negative square root 2 over 2 over negative square root 2 over 2. So that's equal to 1. 7 pi over 6. What is 7 pi over 6? Let's ask people. Chase, what'd you get? Tangent 7 pi over 6. Root 3 over 3. Is that positive or negative? Just make sure. Positive? Good. Square root 3 over 3. How did he get that? Well, it's a sine of using the reciprocal identity is sine pi over 7 pi over 6 and the cosine of 7 pi over 6, right? So that is equal to negative 1/2 and negative root 3 over 2. Now, Arthur, this is you're gonna keep this one, negative 1/2 times if you keep change flip, so it'll be 2 over negative square root 3. So this is gonna cancel out. That's equal to 1 over square root 3. you need to rationalize by multiply by square root 3. You need to multiply the same thing on the bottom. So square root 3, square root 3. Square root 3 times square root 3 is square root 9, which is 3. So this is going to be square root 3 over 3. So this one is square root 3 over 3.
Yeah.
Okay. Tangent of this, so that is going to give you a y value of square root 3 over 2. And this is negative 1/2. So you end up to be simplified with a good negative square root 3. Questions? So far, okay? Julian, do you understand this? Yes? Okay. Tangent 7 pi over 4, that's going to be negative 1. Why is it negative 1? Because it's right here. 7 pi over 4 is going to go all the way here. And that's 7 pi over 4. And that's negative square root 2 over 2 over square root 2 over 2. That's going to be negative 1. Secant is 1 over cosine of 2 pi. What's the cosine of 2 pi? It's 1, so it'll be 1 over 1 is 1, right? Okay, so what's cotangent of 8 pi over 3? Well, 8 pi over 3, which quadrant is this, Isla? What's 8 pi over 3? Which quadrant is that? It's 2 pi over 3. Yeah, so you're going around, and 2 pi over 3 is right here. Now, since the sine of that is going to be square root 3 over 2. No, so it's cosine. Sorry, cosine is going to be 1/2 negative and the square root 3 over 2. So again, I'm going to perform that keep change situation. So 2 over square root 3. So this simplified down to negative 1 over square root 3 times square root 3 square root 3 is equal to negative root 3 over 3. So that's going to be negative root 3 over 3 for this one. 25, so it'll be 1 over sine of 3 pi. What is sine of 3 pi? Sine of 3 pi is what? 0. So 1 over 0 is what? Undefined. Write it out to recognize this is correct. How many of you guys got everything right so far? How many of you guys miss a couple? Okay, what do you miss?
I missed 23 and 17.
23 and 17? Okay, that's good. So undefined. No, not undefined. Square root 3 over 3. So you got square root 3?
Negative square root 3.
Oh, negative square root 3. Okay, so you gotta be careful. It's a cosine over sine. Or x over y. Okay, so now secant of negative pi over 2. So that means 1 over cosine of negative pi over 2. So that's 1 over, I believe that's 0.
Yeah.
So that's undefined as well. Tangent is y over x, cotangent is x over y.
Oh.
So cotangent of 3 pi over 2, so that's going to be a y over x. No, this is x over y, I'm sorry. So x is going to be 0 in this case at 3 pi over 2. And this is going to be negative 1, sorry. That's undefined. Oh, 0, sorry, I read it wrong. You're right. Cosecant of negative 3 pi over 4. So that will be 1 over sine of negative 3 pi over 4. So that means 1 over negative root 2 over 2. So it'll be 2 over square root 2 negative. So that's equal to negative 2 root 2 over 2. So that's equal to negative root 2. Is that okay? Okay. So now this comes to a very interesting one here. Cotangent of pi over 2. So cotangent of pi over 2 is x, so it'll be 0 over 1 plus 3 sine of 3 pi over 2. That's going to be negative 1. So it's negative 3. Is that okay? Okay. Secant is 1 over cosine of pi. Cosine of pi is 1 minus 5 tangent of 4 pi. Tangent of pi is like same thing as like y's value is 0. So that's going to be 3 times 1 minus 5 times 0. So I think should be 3. Negative 1, negative 3. So we do it too quick. Secant of 0 is what? 1, right? plus 4 cotangent of pi over 2. So what is cotangent of pi over 2? 0. So that's 0. Plus cosine of 2 pi is 1. So is that 3? Okay. All right, so we are almost done. 2 more questions. Cotangent of 3 pi over 4. And 3 pi over 4 is going to be -1. So -1 squared, so it's positive 1. Minus, this is 1/2, plus 4 times 1. So that's equal to 1 minus half plus 4. So that's 9 over 2. Is that right? Okay. So the last one is cotangent. I think that's square root 3. And I think this one is also square root 3. And I think this is square root 3 over 2 negative positive. So that's gonna be, this is gonna be times 2 over 2 times 2 over 2 to have the same denominator. So it'll be 5 root 3. So this is how fast it's supposed to come through. Okay, so you guys gonna spend rest of period finish all the right hand side, but see who's gonna get done faster and most accurate. Now accuracy over, make sure guys, accuracy over speed. So if you want to choose something, you choose accuracy. Because on a question, you're gonna have to focus on accuracy. Same thing, accuracy. Now speed, longer, you still have to keep it normal speed. So you still have to keep it like within, like, for roughly 2 minutes per question. But there's a lot of beginning question only takes like 10 seconds or 20 seconds. So you want to save as much time as those. You want to be precise. All right, so let's go through it more. And tomorrow you have quiz. How about this? And you have to be precise on everything. Now tomorrow you don't have unit circle now. You don't have empty one. You don't have the one that's already filled in. So you're gonna have to do it without unit circle, not even the empty one. Huh? No, it's gonna be 10 questions.
Wait, so we have to memorize all the formulas, right?
Yeah, you have to memorize the formula because you need a formula to know what is the 1 over secant.
Do I have what's gonna be on the reference sheet during the exam? Is there no reference sheet at all?
Not on this part. This one has no reference sheet.
This whole like everything's fine. No, Doug. Wait, look at me again. Your shoes. Have you seen me wearing orange, bro?
Hey, Terry, you look beautiful. Guys, I did do my math.
I know, but like some people think like
Yes. Around 10 to 12. But you have to be precise on everything. You even have to rationalize and you have to simplify.
Oh, but like,
Huh? I don't know. It should not. I'll give you enough time. I don't know how much time you have.
We're gonna have extra time.
You have all day if you want to. Not gonna make any changes.
No, it will,
Because most of the time you get to a point you say, I give up. It wasn't even a time issue.
That was old art. Let's talk about the new art. New year, new art. No, it's art that has to have a bare minimum. At least name. It's a Russell out. It's like, yeah, I didn't know. Probably 175 or something.
get to like the one.
Yo, if I went against Ohio, I'm sorry. He makes me so much harder than I have. He's so like thin.
I was gonna take.
He won't let me get.
Oh yeah, yeah.
That's like oh win. It's like
He's like one of the. Yeah. I think so. He was when he was trying to be one thing, he was like talking that you would take. You know.
You're talking about like
Dude, it's all
remember that time he told me.
Elizabeth, can you get to work?
I've heard many people take a lot of it. I know one person has 2 classes. It's just about how many.
That's because it's one home.
I don't care. How many credits you need.
I don't know.
Back then.
Oh, you can take one class.
Arthur, get to work. Isla, get to work.
I'm getting to work. Did you take finance already?
No.
Because I can give you a quiz now.
Well, you can't take it first.
Zoom in, please.
Wait, is the number 2 set up?
Yeah.
You have your own phone.
Yeah, just zoom to 4.
Yeah. Did you get negative? I did it all in my head. I'm gonna
Big
think
F.
Hold up 3, 4, right?
I missed the old. Have you ever played music while we do this?
What kind of music?
I want gangster rap.
What's their
My
It's on the
calculus,
table, my brain don't.
my calculus kids, they do the, what's that? Marble guy.
What?
He had a cassette player.
Starlord?
Yeah.
So they do that music? Like the current to the god?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. That is good music.
Yeah, that's good. Actually, good music.
You notice how I can last property right here? You notice I can just like. Ah, just joking.
You're bad.
Am I? No. I will not. No, because it's Julio. He'll let us play. We'll be like, oh, that's weird. I'll be like, yes. Like, am I wrong?
Yes, it is true. This is actually like a quiz with no unit circle. Like no, that's gonna be.
How?
A win for me.
Visualize.
Oh yeah, strong.
Some people actually just can't do it.
That is true. That's a great thing. Some people can visualize, some people can't. Can you imagine like a burning building in your head? That means you can visualize. Some people just genuinely can't. It's not possible.
Because I actually seen that before.
I know exactly right now, but some people just can't visualize. Or like you'll go, it's like going away.
It's called aphantasia.
Whoa, smart man.
Damn.
Do you have it?
Why do you know that?
Watch the video.
Wait, well last night.
Why are you doing the trick home right? Why I cannot see the unit circle?
I just remember Twitch streamers talking about it.
The middle school location is Wyra. But then it wants like for this one, if you do Wyra, it's 1 divided by 0. But for this one, it'd be 0 divided by 1. Yeah. Wait, 1 divided by 0. 1 divided by 0 is 0. 0 divided by 1. I knew you get this.
Oh.
Is it 0?
Are you gonna get it?
1 divided by yeah. It's Wyra? Next over
What?
Is this our homework too? Spoke?
I almost take that thing off my finger. Oh, the shit. I cannot get it.
The amount of time I did that shit. My mom's like, it's fucking butter. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get my fingers stuck.
Oh, I got one wrong. So 0 over negative.
How much are you paying him?
He hasn't asked for anything yet.
Oh, you'll wait.
He said, let me check my calendar.
You're gonna get to Starbucks and you go, okay, $20 an hour. You go, fuck.
Well, this is not the computer. We don't talk like that.
They just threw 3 over 2.
No, of course, of course.
That's what I do.
Yeah. She wants to get what that's not right here.
All right, I'm gonna put away this unit circle now. You're gonna try to do it without it.
So like if I could do it.
Congratulations. You've done exactly no.
Just like get whatever you want to be SAT, get the next 30 blocks.
She is a wee little precious.
You'll get 1550 next year and you'll never have to take it. Yeah, see, if Mr. A says that,
my class. I'm really proud of it.
if Mr. A says that, you're fine.
He really doesn't know as much as you think. I'm saying.
About SAT,
Trust
he
me.
does. Trust you?
You might not trust me. Ellen, mate, if you're stuck in a ditch, who do you call?
The wrong song.
My dad.
Friend. It's called friend.
By 0
My dad.
No, that's not like that.
Your dad.
Fuck you.
My dad.
I am so reliable, you know.
My dad. I have 2 older half sisters. Hey, what'd you get for her 6? Oh. 6? Yeah. I think she's
Okay, hey, no, I have 5 over 2. That's half, right? 3/4. That's 3/4. That's 3/4. Like the regular.
2 times 4.
It's not bad. It's not. It's gonna be half.
It's 5 minus 4 times is 10.
What the hell you
And
mean?
if it's left.
Oh, so you have to go high.
Oh, cause
Because 0, right?
times so right.
I don't understand this shit. Why are you being so mean to me?
Oh, right. Okay. Yeah.
That's so BS.
More than
That's so BS.
It's undefined.
No, it's 0.
Which is
No, no.
No, cosine.
It's zeros on the bottom. It's not the five.
Cinco.
Okay, 2 over 3, right here. Feel like I'm going. And,
You went on 2
is 8 negative?
Whoa.
Oh, really?
what is you determine a third.
Wait, no, isn't, go to the denominator.
Oh.
What'd you get for 8? Well, because look, if you're, yeah, so it's 12.
Why not?
Root 6 is, yeah, oh, I think you're right.
No.
Hey.
On the cosine.
Yeah.
Is it? It's in the third.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
That's where it is.
Wait, what? Wait.
Oh, my brain was baffled. Yeah. It is one way.
What'd you get for 8?
Oh, wait.
Oh, because if you're here, go see.
What did you get for 8?
Negative root 3 over 2.
Yeah.
Okay.
E is negative root
Wait. Stop overbrain guys.
Different goals, right?
So she can. What does that mean?
Let me know what you do.
Like, why do you care?
Get that. Dude, it's like a
I like drinking.
yeah, like
So it's like after. I went second, third.
You can say it's negative.
oh yeah, it's not.
I got.
Got it.
I got this.
Maybe try.
Okay, so negative pi. If pi is like here, negative pi.
Negative 5.
It's not the same.
Is that the
But like if pi's over here, you start from over here. And either way, it's the same, right? Yo, Mr. Yeah, you mirror.
Shows.
No, you're doing it relative to the y.
You did,
Yeah, exactly. You just mirror.
You have to do.
No, she thought it was like me.
Did y'all get to
No, no, no. She's
Mr. Yeah.
Huh?
Are
Do you
you
always
y
start
and
from-
negative 5 is
So
right
if
here?
it's negative pi, is it not the same?
They will be at the same location, but it's one is clock is negative pi is going this way, but it's gonna be same location. But the rotation's different. If you want to draw an
Yes, the
angle,
rotation is
it's gonna-
backwards,
it's
but
gonna-
it ends at the same place.
yeah, and then same place. Yes.
Mining 10. Do you currently have a 10
You always
handle?
No.
You always
Well, this is part of the test. I'm gonna tell you that right now.
backwards.
Oh, yeah.
Are we just taking this paper backwards?
Does that make sense?
No, you're only gonna responsible to half. You're gonna responsible to this page. All right, so part of quiz tomorrow, you're responsible all the way to end of here, which is this is the part that you have to responsible. So you already know this, right? This should not have problem by now because otherwise you cannot answer all the questions. And this you have to know it because that's quotient identity. Now, for this proof, you don't have to know this proof, but if you want to, you can prove it out to get the first one. Sine squared plus cosine squared equal to 1. So you can just memorize that, or you can actually prove it from geometry. For me, proving is not hard, but the rest of the two, this one's a little bit harder because you're going to divide everything by cosine. If you divide everything by cosine, it's going to end up to be sine over cosine is tangent, cosine over cosine is 1, 1 over cosine is secant. So something that we know how to do.
Is this one time?
Huh?
This one is some time, right?
No, this is not time.
Thank God. Thank you.
Oh, yeah, wait, hold on.
So yeah, you can take a picture of this part if you want.
People?
Yeah.
Yeah, some people that you're doing a job.
Nick, do
I
it,
would
please.
all, I would
Dude, I
all
felt
last night.
probably worse than
Hey, are you gonna do something?
He has a really good camera.
I see, like, amazing.
I can't record it, but I'll. Yeah, that's how you're.
And you have to good thought.
No, those.
Oh, I didn't swear at that.
Yeah, you guys are high over there.
So we have a quiz tomorrow.
Oh, I think I forgot this.
First watch.
Hey, can I take a picture of it?
You
That's
right?
what I thought. That's what I
Is
didn't
that
think
so
so long.
you right?
There's lunch tutoring tomorrow, right?
Huh?
There's lunch
No.
tutoring tomorrow, right?
Oh.
Better learn as much things you hear. Why you not here last week?
I was in Puerto Rico, all the flights got
No, it's not.
canceled.
Why? Oh, because of Venezuela?
Yeah.
It's Trump's fault.
Hey, don't say that about my president.
You pulled out.
You're,
Wait, is that all we have to do? We have to do all-
no, you don't need to worry about it. Just that. I heard
Another way to say that
Have to be.
Steve Jobs and Trump are friends.
Steve Jobs and Trump are friends. I didn't know that.
Apples and oranges go together.
I heard that one. It's on Logan's dash joke.
What?
Times.
I follow this guy on Instagram. They always say dash joke.
Can you follow me back?
No. You're with my student. I'm not gonna follow you back. That's creepy.
But you get to see my.
I don't want to see.
You
Just,
get to see my post.
I don't want to see your post.
There's so many like clips of everything. They're horrible. They're horrible. No, but I put so much love into them. They're beautiful. My Instagram, everyone like it's like fuck if you my posts. I feel like shit. Now I might get like.
Is that you that you have already in the? Oh no, that's Kevin Dale.
That will be fun.
Kevin Dale. I feel like you and Kevin will be a good friend.
Kevin who?
Long.
Never heard.
Kevin.
No, it's alright. No.
That'll do it.
Play volleyball. You don't know?
I have no idea.
Kevin Dale? You never know him?
Should I meet him?
You and him will get along very well.
We'll be friends. We like best friends.
Wait, I know Kevin Hall's the last. Yeah. You make the same type of joke as me.
There is no.
That's not as funny though.
Oh wait, yeah.
You are kind of mature in that, in certain perspective.
I can be mature as two concepts.
We know.
It's like okay.
Wait.
The lights. I can get turned on, you know.
That's not the
I feel like that's fair. All Julie has to do is like that.
Okay,
We have
Right.
Do we have any? When I get home. I need
What
to get
divided by
ready.
Can I help you?
Oh wait,
Mr. Corn.
You did bad?
No, I did good. But the only question I missed was because of the misspell.
Yes.
No. I wrote. I was supposed to name a professor from the Green Revolution. I knew his name. It was Norman.
Yo,
Boy, I forgot.
Green Revolution.
Yeah, the Green Revolution.
What is Green Revolution?
It's about
give your hearts to the people.
the agriculture spreading to the lower developed countries. They spread it like the technology, like hybridization, chemicals, more technology. They were already present in the most developed countries like the United States. and Canada. They already have it.
In 7
I
minutes.
didn't know that. What year is that?
20th century.
1900s?
Yeah. I hear remember. See, I remember this. But I was so disappointed in myself.
Don't know how to spell something?
No, it's because my handwriting is pretty
Wait, there's an
poor.
emergency up there. See, there's an emergency. Is it used at all?
Usual.
Right. You can use that one. Yeah. Remind me to bring an emergency. I also bring a rice bowl so you can use it.
It was just one letter too. My horrible.
I'm gonna teach you how to be social. And then you're gonna be like actually like popular. You seem like you have so much potential to be funny. I bet I could get it. I could probably do it.
That's right. This is right.
Fuck, my fingers stuck.
I never disagree with you.
I knew it.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
I got you.
We said you have to get the butter.
Yes.
Fuck. Just down.
It's already done.
Ella, want me to do this? Yo, what am I gonna take for Sean?
But John's 5 fingers nugget.
What a man! This sneaky boy. No kidding. Oh, I tell myself to make it unfunny. Oh, yeah, I just showed so much maturity. I chose the maturity way. Oh, God.
You said what? Which one is
Are you ready to do the unit circle quiz?
Did you win it?
Yeah. I did.
I'm doing it. I only got 5 minutes.
So remember tomorrow's quiz. I'm gonna ask you this. You need to know this anyway, and you need to know this for tangent and cotangent anyway. The only thing additional you need to know is the sine square plus cosine square equal to 1. And you have to be able to prove from here to here and prove from here to here. You don't even have to know this. This is not part of the quiz. This, if you want to be able to do it, I'll give you extra credit.
Wait, what time? What? Wait,
If you can
Top right.
What do the bottom words in the blue like the bottom
Divide by.
What?
use for
Divide by.
or cannot find
You for convert sine square to cosine. You don't have to do this part though. This part's not required. You just have to know the 3 identities. And then this is just an extra.
Yo, Joe, did you send it?
Yeah.
Damn you, honey.
That was game with you. Where did you get it? It said
Stop.
Oh yeah.
Burn.
No, it takes.
Like I don't know.
Where do you
You know what? You're right.
Put some alcohol in that.
Is the
You have to put that one down.
when you try
Ooh, that was good. I'm gonna put that one on.
Put that in the bag.
Yo, it's in my bag.
Whatever.
Just like several children.
That's really that's a you want to do to make sure I got sense making it to.
Yo, I heard rumors of what he did.
He's in our class, and he pulled out a drill. He's like, yo, can I build this?
A
without
drill,
it?
a saw, and
And
more.
then he's like, if you're a farmer, I need to use a lighter. If you use a lighter, grab
A lighter, a saw, and a drill.
Like he's gonna throw shit out. And I was like,
Yeah, that's what I've always
Okay, so
If I didn't know Trevor and I was in school and I saw him in his bag, like just throw
Great
sign progress. So it's just like
Over 100 minutes. That's my
you could use identity. Or you can figure out which is square root of 3. You could like this one is like half square. So it's gonna be 1/4. So 3
would be like an example of what
actually in your you don't understand angle.
what was the last part of the video like grade 5?
That's the second.
Just be the
This is that meter. It's going from here. Divide everything by everything divided by everything by 5. No, those are the homework.
And I get 6 minutes on my.
Go back and fix the
I do everything, but I don't think I'm fast.
Well, okay, so it's not your fault. I'll give it 7 minutes. It's Trump's fault.
Let's see, if you want, I can ask to see if I can stay for the competition and not go to the camp out.
Well, if the campus vote with the family, right? That's important.
No, it's for Boy Scouts.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Do you want to go?
I mean, I think it'll just be like every other camp out. I don't remember what we're doing on this one, so it kind of depends. But, like what? 'Cause I've never done a math competition before.
You should.
So
I mean, it's like kind of interesting, but just like I think you have to, because your brain is very, very it's very direct forward to the solution. You find the most efficient way to do most of the stuff, which is most of the time you finish your test early. So I need somebody like that, but who also not on Science Olympia and debate.
are
because-
they doing like stuff this weekend or the weekend of the competition?
Huh?
Are they doing things the weekend of the math competition?
Yeah. So I need somebody that, if you can, yeah, I'll be welcome to, you have to join. It's a really hard test. So there's a lot of stuff we don't know, but by the next competition we'll be better. But if you want to join, you'll be welcome to join.
I'll ask my parents to see what they think about it,
Yeah.
and then I'll come back to you tomorrow.
Yeah, no problem.
Let's do these,
He's just sitting here waiting for her to finish the test. It's hard to find those tests.
it was actually.
How long you guys know each other?
Like freshman year. Oh. Talk about them. Sorry. Yo, can you guys hurry up?
What's going on?
This is the original finding. This is the little squad I was talking about. They're your little warriors right there. Little math warriors.
I found Carter.
Yo, you're gonna have them next week.
Oh, Carter's
Come at. Where's Sebastian? Sebastian might go for it. Hey, do you want him?
Oh,
Do you know if I go for him? Do you guys want to join?
oh, they sign stuff here?
Yeah.
Yeah, so they have they're going to fall.
We're better than Dave.
I love it.
I did.
I want to do this forever. Just to do it and not talk to me about it.
Yeah, you keep adding it up. You're saying, yeah, most of the great places along the world have that.
It's not a great thing to do with it. Or based on me doing it for like the rest of your life. People excited. What about you?
Yo, I was gonna go here. Not that.
Some mistakes in the FRQ. Yeah, I was gonna say.
The printer doesn't have paper.
So.
We cannot print.
Oh well, I guess the goon squad isn't happening.
Why would we call it Broom Squad? Goon. G-O-O. Are they nice kids?
They are good kids.
Are you gonna do math competition?
No, they have.
I also have science already. You always say like it's mutually exclusive. You're the J Science Olympiad or you do. That's not true. You're president and you're awesome
You
person.
pay.
who should be-
Yeah, but you
have to,
choose.
because Sammy
You're
Davis
gonna
like-
choose two events of Science Olympiad over one month.
Dude, because Sammy Davis
No.
will go like, yo, you
Yeah.
can't do anything else.
February
but-
7th, you're gonna be gone.
February 7th
And
is
March
Odyssey. That's
7th.
not Science Olympiad.
March 7th.
She's just
That's
so
not Science
stupid.
Olympiad.
Is
Where
our,
is the
is our
yours?
homework the rest of the
Lyman High School.
Ugh, I hate that
3A?
school.
Is our homework the rest of the document that
Yes.
you shared with us? Okay.
Can I get through?
I feel like communication between clubs needs to be better. Because 4 events on one day is like,
What event on what?
on the 24th, they're supposed to debate Science Olympiad.
They just try to split up as much as they can.
I pussied out from eating food in my class. People said it smelled like shit. I went, fuck you. So now I'm gonna eat in your class. Go okay.
What was it?
Do you goon?
Okay, so tomorrow.
Yeah, can I take a test?
Maybe with a toe.
You can set the timer on your clock. 7 minutes. You cannot make a sign mistake. Everything needs to be rationalized or simplified.
Look, man, it's got
Okay? So it cannot be 2 pi over 6. It has to be pi over 6.
Yeah, I forgot what it is.
Is there a timer?
Yeah, play around before.
7 minutes?
Here's the call.
Is out there like weather. I want to see if the one of the modern buildings is the type of the trash.
Where is it? Where's the team?
Hey, is your answer for you? Oh, yeah. Thanks to this.
What's that?
Yeah, it's in the class thing.
What's your out in the back? I have to play once. I need to get my line full. It's okay. Let's get the
Yeah, I have the. You're gonna be. I'm not stressed, man. I'm just telling you the truth, man. Yeah. Yo, I got all 5 of those answers. Okay. I'm not stressed. I'm just telling you the facts. I'm not stressed. I'm just telling you the facts. No, I'm happy. Yo, I'm 100 years old.
You won't be looking nice to every photo.
Like,
My mom.
And then I'm going to grow. So, we're gonna be here the entire time. We're gonna be.
No, we're not.
Dang, you hate it. Bro.
Yeah, dude, we were doing this joke.
I know we were.
Hey, bro. I thought that.
Hey, we played.
You're kidding. Yeah, skip yours more better.
I'm like, everything else, bro. I got everything else done over here.
Like,
It makes sense now.
Let's need to review everything again. Wait, we're not done. Come on. Yes.
Oh, we really got everything else right. Except yeah. Yes.
I didn't even check though. I got so lucky. Because I'm working till 11 again.
Yo,
Should we start with number 6? Oh, taking printing out the game. The whole thing. The hardest. Wait, what's that?
It's some autistic kid, bro. Like, all those. Bro, why did he actually say that? He just said that. Yeah, like that, bro.
You're in fact right. Wait, no, I wrote panel. Your favorite kind of erase that, and you have to put it on front. You ever sit around? How long can you stay? No, elbow on the table. You can't do that. Elbow on the table. Keep ripping that.
Wait, is he inside with you?
Nah.
Yeah. I already gonna sit.
What, the homework? It's the same that we have. It's the rest of the questions.
Well, that's like.
It's like all like 6 questions. But why are you so far away? Always fun for fun. far enough each that.
Alright, yeah.
Let me see. Let me see.
You don't care.
No, I think. Not because he was one who came from yeah.
Nah, it's tough though. Look, he's gonna drive off in the woods.
Oh my god, you in the future.
He's gonna start moving that. 3, 2,
Nah.
1. Oh, that's so tough.
Why did you say it like that? I was waiting until you were on. Wait, I looked at wait.
Good luck with that one.
I said
I already know how to do math. It's not that quick. Do you need help?
I don't know yet.
Not the scarier answer than that.
Yeah, what?
And then I get.
No. Chill. No, you're not.
Let's run like a 10-minute walk.
No, you can show me.
Like I'm gonna make yes, there are things. What is that? Did you?
Yeah, the Asian scammer or something one before that. Oh, no, you just do this. Wait, Mr. What are you doing? I'll do your last
You go around on the grass.
I'm a safe stop. Okay. Oh, 6 drive. 6.
Oh, no, you want to bring me. Okay.
I'm trying to.
The one I did yesterday was like second word.
Let's see if you can.
Yes, bro, like. Did he do it? That's the second to worst thing.
We're gonna do one.
Did it? I already did one map. Yeah, you can show.
Told him to do the right one.
Oh, that's easy.
Yeah. Go to the right one.
Bro, the right one's gonna be so much worse. No, I hope this camera's the worst one.
I think that's good,
Maybe the worst one is the last two.
It's not Devin, Julian.
I already passed it.
Oh, for real?
Devin, this is on the test too. Tomorrow.
Wait, which one?
When did you show him?
Uh,
Wait, Devin gets the leaks?
no. I told everybody. He just never pay attention what I say. All the way
No,
to
yeah,
here.
I know. He told me. I heard.
You hear?
I was like, what?
Pythagorean
I know
identity.
you said that part's not there, right? That's just
Pythagorean
extra credit,
identity.
right?
This is extra credit. This is not.
Oh, this is not. Oh, I only.
The celebration I'll talk about.
Sine, cosine.
Also, another thing, Devin, once you get to calculus and you have to do derivatives and even early like intervals that have
I'm
to
not
do
in
with
calculus yet.
I know, but when you get there, just make sure to remember these. It's pretty important.
Oh yeah, it's a lot more useful in BC because they have to do it to every question.
Really?
Yeah, like Alejandro's had to do a question. Actually, that'd be a good question for Alex Hill. Show him like what that's question 3.
So this is multiply divide by cosine by everything. And this is divided by sine.
Work it out. It's not
Yeah, it's actually that bad.
Wait, are they having to use like the polar form thing? Where like, because I know they're not having to do polar form or whatever. They don't have to do that. What is it like? E to the something being like R. Isn't like R cosine theta plus I sine theta?
Yeah.
Something like that.
Yeah, they do that later.
Oh, they do that. They haven't gotten there.
No, nobody does. Not even Ollie. Ollie, I'm ahead of Ollie right now. I'm behind him for almost a month. No, in pre-calc. But I'm ahead of him now. I always start really slow to cover all the foundations, and then after that just speed up.
Yeah, what was
So
that?
once I build a foundation, I'll speed up.
Oh,
But
yeah, I
before
remember.
I'm behind.
It's pre-calculated.
Oh wait, I remember.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh yeah, this is what I remember. Wait, they have to do all the stuff with like the polar, no, not polar, polar form of complex numbers. Is that what they're having to do?
Not yet. They have to just find out what's sun 30 degree right now.
Bet you didn't.
No, I'm talking about the PC kids.
No. You look at Alejandro's homework. It's pretty cool. You'll like it.
Which question for my homework?
All the huh?
Which question for my homework?
Your first beginning like the sine and cosine. I think Alex will like it.
Wait, what? They won't show the sine data and cosine plus cosine data equals 1, right?
Yeah, they won't show that. But you're supposed to memorize that. But you can prove it. That's an extra credit. You can prove that part.
Yeah. Where my $30 at, Brad? Yeah. No, not yet. Why?
Oh, no. And you look the entire time I'm waiting for you to stop. Okay, because you're having it. I know. Where I got it way before we even ended these. I got it before we
Mr. Yang, I passed my test.
Yeah, you did. You did.
No, I'm trying to make it more.
No, I did now. I don't think that's gonna find like something interesting then. Check us. I am doing you a favor. So if I send you the money right now, you're gonna come. Okay. I hope you die.
What in the art? Bless you, bro.
God bless your soul and generation.
And even and Devin's descendants.
And that many.
At that point, God bless Devin himself.
Just for that.
Bless you, man. Man, you sneezing a lot. Bro.
Want me to get you tissue?
Man, sneezing a lot. This man's got like a feather on his nose or something.
Allergy.
Allergies, huh?
Okay.
Okay, so
Brandon, Sherry, to Lester, Martin, Elizabeth, May, Bombi, Caleb, Amber, Sonali, Kennedy, Diana, Mylan, Gordon, Brandon, Kennedy, Robinson, Rossi, Salvador, Siddiqui, Shashka, Slater, Aiden, Kenny.
You went on one? No.
Molly, Jesus, Connor, Ring.
Wait, you got it fast? I went to the front like 4 times. Oh! First time we played, it was with me.
Kadian.
Ours, really good. I just dropped him and then he took it off. I just picked it up. Our move was insane. That was the most insane. We just not even 2 times in. She's like, no, we got to start talking about it. And I'm like, stop, you go better than that.
And somebody open the door for me.
Like, so confused. What? When does Kate use me? And I was like, really?
Alden, where's Lee today? I don't see Lee today.
I think he's at home. Oh yeah, that made me laugh. He had very little sleep time.
You enjoy my photos, don't worry.
The entire day.
Jack Fitz, I asked if you could go, he said no, what do you mean where I am? I'm at yay.
Except that I'm
I'm EA, the one over there.
You miss your best friend? You got me right now? You got me? What? Do you guys want half the debt? You got me? What?
The state of the test is gonna be
I'm debating to put like Wednesdays, the Ryman sum and the FTC stuff like we learned recently, and then like a kind of review test for the rest of them because some people cannot make it Thursday. So yeah, so either 2-day test or 1-day test. I don't know yet. I'll let you know today.
Guys, it's basically gonna be on what you sent in the group chat, the message.
Yeah, and also like the stuff you learn right now.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so you gotta finish your homework. I feel like the stuff we're learning now is not too hard, but you just have to know all the stuff.
Oh, wait, which one? The ones that we just. But yeah, I forgot about you. It's hard for you. Like, when it's training, I
gotta be one behind.
I didn't ask.
I told you. I put in the back.
Oh, thank you.
Can I put it in the back room?
Huh?
Can I put it in the background?
No.
What if someone's hungry? What if someone's hungry?
I don't know. Is it good stuff or the shitty stuff? Huh?
It's from today too.
I don't know.
You don't trust me?
Guy, why do you think
They literally serve it.
Because you told me.
Carter, I know Carter. It's double prime. It's double prime.
When the solar change. Yes. Like, you're so function is where they're probably excited, no?
I don't know where you got.
What?
I
My voice is like you got you.
You got it too.
What do you say? Why do you go to hurt anyway? That's actually crazy. My dad. How do you? It's not online somewhere. Are you living in the double front? I'll be back with you.
Okay, bro.
Also, the 5 rows and 3 rows.
So this is equal to slope.
Can you make me one as well?
Yeah, I'm only